Eyelash extensions are currently being made out of products that aren't meant to be eyelash extensions. They're being made out of makeup brush fibers. If you think about those fibers, like what their purpose is, it's to be soft, you know, when you touch it on your face. It's to hold a certain amount of makeup and then to deliver that makeup. It's not to be an eyelash. Never was intended to be an eyelash, but people overseas did a fantastic job of making use of what they could.
When we first started this project, our first attempts at least, we tried to take what exists in the industry and we learned from those mistakes. We ended up deconstructing the whole system. We came and we started with our own material. We designed everything in the process for eyelashes. And because of that, the result is now we can modify all of those things.
So even just the sheer material that we're using is not a makeup brush fiber like everyone else's. They're our own fiber.
It's designed for eyelashes. Yeah.
Most eyelashes overseas, as they protrude the eyelash, they dye it and they use a blue dye to dye things black. Which is why when you hold a tray up to like the sun, up to a light, you can see like a blue hue. We have actually dyed ours internally. So like, as we're doing the pultrusion, we are dyeing it. It is an actual black product.
They're bold, they're black, they're everything you expect them to be.
You spend so much time doing such a beautiful and immaculate set of lashes. Once that customer walks out that door, it's no longer up to you. You've done everything that you can to make sure that those lashes last, and that customer will come back several weeks from now happy and wanting another set of lashes from you. And that's when Bella Lash and our products and our engineering has to step up to the plate and support your work. That's when you have to trust your products. And that is why this is so important, because I can say for certainty that you can trust these products.
The fiber that is used for these lashes is made for your eyes. So we have put it through the test and it's made to be with you all day long, every day. So you guys are gonna love the consistency and the feeling of these new fibers. Before they were just repurposed makeup brushes, and now they are something that's made to be worn on your face.